Hi everyone, it's Lee here. Welcome back to my channel, Lee Creates. We're up to day 29 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg from Meg Journals, and the prompt for today is geometric. So before we go on, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's here and has been coming here for a long time, and also to my new friends that have found me through the Junk Journal January challenge and decided that they want to stick around for a bit. That's great. Glad to have you on board, and I hope you continue to tune in for my videos for some time to come. So with geometric, I've had this paper, wrapping paper, sitting in my cupboard for ages, and I really wanted to do something with it. So I thought I could use that in some way in my work of art today. There's another bit there, and I was playing around with my jelly plate, and I thought that I would maybe do something sort of jelly print onto it, but a strange thing happened, and I think it's a bit like when you do an image transfer. All the black triangles sort of stuck to the jelly plate, like they transferred onto the jelly plate, and I don't know if you can see it in this particular piece of paper. So all the triangles are in there, which I thought was a really neat effect, even though I wasn't trying to do it, and I just love the colours in that. It's so vibrant, really beautiful. So I thought, oh, I'm just going to use this as my background today, so I've actually printed that onto a piece of rice paper, like calligraphy paper. It's very thin, not as thin as tissue, and I'll use this bit here as well. So I need, let's go this way. So I've got my geometric in there, which is my triangles. Yeah, so that'll cover nicely. So we'll go there, and then I just got to make up my mind whether I want this bit to be on the end with the purple and the pink, or on the end with the yellow and the pink. Alright, so that's the first thing I'm going to do, is glue that down. We're going to use matte gel to do that, matte gel medium. This stuff doesn't seem to be sticking as well as I thought it would do, but I'll keep using it till there's none of it left. I think it's almost like I need to put a really thick coat on it. So geometric could be any shape associated with geometry, I guess. So circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, hexagons, polygons, diamonds. And that's why I chose that paper that I did. Yeah, I'm just trying to make up my mind about this. So I'm going to put it on this way, I think, and then I'm going to take. Look at that. Oh, it was tearing along the paint. I'm going to stick that on here. That's so beautifully vibrant. I love that. I bet I should have stuck that up higher. I should have to get it off. It reminds me of my translucent one the other day. I'm going to get into an awfully sticky mess here if I'm not careful. Yeah, it reminds me of that one. Same colours, sort of. So I don't mind if it's a little bit wrinkly. Okay, so I'm going to stick down this other half. So how's everyone going? Hope you're doing well. And are you sick of Junk Journal January? I've really found it hard to get a video up today. Monday-itis, it must be. I stayed up late last night watching the final of the Australian Open Tennis Championships too, so that probably hasn't helped. put you in the, you know, you get into that mood where everything is just too much to do. Too much for my little old brain. Looks like there's some holes there. It's not in the paper, it's just in the print itself. And let's tear this off. I thought I might use a magazine image in this. I know people aren't that keen on having, a lot of people aren't that keen on having magazine images and things like that in the projects, but I like them. So I'm putting it in. No, I really do listen to your critiquing. It just seems whenever I put like a person of some sort into a collage, and it used to happen when I was doing Marguerite Miller's challenge, that particular video wouldn't get very many views. I don't know why. But I love putting people in. I love making people into other things as well. Maybe I should wait for that to dry and cut it off. Well, why not just cut it off? So you're learning how not to do things here at the moment. Okay, and I'll use the scissors to get the rest of that off when it's dry. Oh, I fixed this up. I couldn't stand it anymore. So I just whited it out with some white paint and then wrote it on with a Posca pen. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. It's a bit tacky, like soggy. It feels cold. If you ever glued something down and you're wondering whether your glue's dry or not, if it feels cold or your paint's dry, it's not dry. It's yeah, if it feels cold, it's not dry. Okay. Alrighty, page is all dry. I've got a brightly coloured lady that I want to put on here. Trying to work out which page. I think she looks better over here. I love her clothes, but honestly, if I saw her walking down the street towards me, I think I'd be running the other way. It's an ad for Tasmanian tourism, I think. And I've got these words, no rules, colour play. I think that would work out nicely in there. And I'm just going to put her in. She's going to have to lose most of her colourful clothing, unfortunately. So I'm just going to stick that down, and I might put in maybe some little bits of gesso or something. So I've got this hexagonal little stencil here. I thought I might just do a bit of that because it's another geometric shape. And that's just gesso that I'm using here. And my little scruffy brush, stencil brush. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. I want to put some here, but I don't want to go over the words, over the word. Yeah, and where else can I put some? I think I should have gone up here a little bit. So place that back down again. I'll do. And need it in 3 places. So maybe just a little bit like that. Yep. Okay. Happy with that. Stabilo. Is that it? No. I don't know where my Stabilo pencil's gone. Vanished. So I'm just going to, no, not with that, that doesn't work properly. What have we got here? What about a fluoro colour? We've got pink, purple, green, yellow, blue and orange. Maybe the orange. Oh, come on. Give it a good shake. There we go. Plenty of exercise. Shaking the ink up in these pens. Why not add some more colour in there? Got the Flouro green. And didn't realise I didn't have anything here, but I don't think I'll worry about it. I could just draw along there, brighten it up. It's just where the print didn't cover. What else? I need to put the number in, so I might as well do that. It's 29, isn't it? Or 28. I forget every time. Where's my thingy? 29, geometric. Let's see if I can write it without making a mistake. Get it in. Geometroc. I think I can get it in. That's all I'm doing. That's a record, isn't it? So basically it's just paper, gel printed paper, piece of wrapping paper, some stenciling, image from a magazine, and some words cut out of the same magazine to make my own sentence up. No rules, colour play. 29, geometric. Done and dusted. That means we've got travel and then reflect. So let me know in the comments what you think of this. I know it's only simple, but it's no less dynamic and interesting than other things. This, you didn't see me make this, so that took quite a bit of time to prepare that piece of paper. So that'll be the sort of thing that I'll show you how to do when I do some jelly printing videos. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you really hate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment about this. And as I said, we'll see you tomorrow for day 30, which is travel. And in the meantime, have fun creating your own piece of art. And take care. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo. Bye.